this view? Who does this moment belong to? Whose discovery is this? Whose rediscovery? Who owns these places, the new ones and the old? Who is all this for? It's for every one of us, every Canadian.
For me? Wow!
Discover your moment at Canada's national parks and national historic sites. Parks Canada. Real. Inspiring. A message from the Government of Canada.